Understand?
I get the point.
What do you got there?
Hope to die.
Good shall. And I must continue my search for the helpless little lad.
Oh, who does he think he's fooling? The helpless little lad. Oh, he gives me the shivers. Picking on that poor little helpless boy. Oh, yes.
Take them apart.
Oh, helpless boy. Oh.
That's it.
You told me a lie, Ka. You said I could trust you.
It's like you said. You can trust anyone. If I never see that skinny little shrimp again, it will be too soon. Ooh, my sacroiliac.
Bravo, bravo. An extraordinary performance. And thank you for detaining my victim.
Don't mention it. You're honest.
Boo.
Let's get out of here.
Get it wrong, gangway! Run, friend, run!
Run? Why should I run?
Why should you run? Could it be possible that you don't know who I am?
I know you all right. You're Shere Khan.
Precisely. Then you should also know that everyone runs from Shere Khan.
You don't scare me. I won't run from anyone.
Ah, you have spirit for one so small. And such spirit is deserving of a sporting chance. Now, I'm going to close my eyes and count 10. It makes the chase more interesting. For me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're trying my patience. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go on.
He's hooked. It was inevitable, Baloo. The boy couldn't help himself. It was bound to happen. Mowgli is where he belongs now.
Yeah, I guess you're right. But I still think he'd have made one swell bear. Well, come on, Baggy Buddy. Let's get back to where we belong and get with the beat. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities.
Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities or Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.
You gonna dance? Wow. Down. Up. Up. Down. Up. Oh. Go. Oh. Aha. Aha. Oh. Aha. Snooky, bite. Bite. Bite, bite. Aha. Bite, bite. Get him. Aha. Fight to the finish. Aha. Bite. Aha. Aha. What are they doing, Cassius? Ah. Uh-huh. Go, go. There they go.